Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome to Rishi's World. In today's recipe, we have egg butter masala and jeera rice. Let's jump into the procedure. First, to a mixer jar, add 4 tomatoes, 10 to 15 soaked cashews, 2 tablespoons coriander stalk, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 5 to 6 green chilies, 10 to 15 garlic, 2 inch of ginger, 2 tablespoons jeera powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and blend it into a smooth paste. Now to a pan, add a bit of oil. Let's fry some eggs. Add a bit of butter. Once the butter melts, add boiled eggs. The eggs should be slit around. If you want to know how, check out the link in the comments. The link has egg biryani recipe, you can go through it. Fry the eggs for 2 minutes. Fry them nicely. Once the eggs slightly change color, at this stage, add some salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and saute it for 30 seconds. You can also add coriander leaves for the color. Set it aside. Now, to a bigger pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it well and let the butter melt nicely. To this, add 2 tablespoons of jeera, and some whole spices like 2 inch of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms, and 2 cloves. Once the spices start to get aromatic, add around 6 green chilies that are slit in the middle. The spices give the gravy a nice aromatic flavor. Saute it well. Now add around 12 garlic cloves and fry them nicely until it turns brown. By frying whole garlic, it gives the gravy a nice flavor in every bite, especially if you are a garlic lover. Now add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and saute it well until the raw smell leaves. Next, add 3 finely chopped onions and saute it well. The onions should become golden brown in color and adjust the flame to low. At this stage, add a pinch of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of chili powder. Also add a little bit of hot water so that the spices doesn't burn. Now add the ground paste masala and add water and adjust the consistency. Give it a nice mix and let it simmer for 5 minutes. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and some crushed kasuri methi. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter. This gives the gravy a nice texture. Garnish it with some fresh cream or coriander. Add all the fried eggs. Your egg butter masala is ready. Let's make jeera rice. It's a very simple recipe. All it needs is some oil and lots of jeera for obvious reasons. Now a bunch of curry leaves, some slit green chilies, and that's all. Add salt for taste. Now mix well with the rice. Your restaurant style jeera rice is ready. Thank you.